Welcome back to our dining room transformation. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Victoria. This is part 3 of our makeover movies. So if you haven't seen the first 2, you can check those out. We will link them
In the description or here,
right there, anywhere.
So we'll give you a little recap. This is what we've done so far. So to tie this space together and make it truly feel like home and like it's my own space, you gotta add decor.
So the first piece we'll be adding is a fake plant. And I love fake plants because I cannot keep real plants alive.
I feel like most people suck at keeping little plants alive.
There's some people out there that like their plants are their children, but
Yes.
probably because they don't have children. And when you have children, your plants die. Because you're keeping your kids alive. So, fake plants are the way to go. And do you want to show us your plant?
Yes, let me go get it. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I found it for $25. And let me tell you, this plant is normally $100, and all the other plants of the same one were $100 right next to it. So I don't know why I got so lucky.
No looking. Cute.
Boom.
They're nice banana leaf plant.
Certain fake plants can look really caca. Like a banana leaf is a really good look if you're going for modern, which is what I'm going for. And then also those, like, I don't even know what they're called, but they're just kind of like leaves, like long skinny
snake
leaves.
plants.
Yes.
They're kind of like striped a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Yep.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Snake plants.
Snakes on, yeah.
Those are really good if you're going for a modern look.
Okay, so do you want to put the plant in its little place?
Let's do this. Okay, so this is the view of the dining room from the living room and the kitchen right there. So Victoria is standing right perfectly in the focal point of where the plant will go.
Okay, so this looks fine. It just needs a little oomph and a little height. So we are going to put it in this planter.
And this planter is also from Hobby Lobby and their spring collection, which was all 50% off. So that just gives it some niceness. Now the room looks alive instead of just
Like dead wood.
yeah.
Okay, so we have this huge white blank wall, and we're gonna add a little art, but not a little art. We want to add a big, huge piece of art to fill this wall. So we're gonna put that on.
You guys,
That is a big piece of art.
if anyone can guess what this is, put it in the comments below. What do you think this is a picture of? Is it my family? Is it like abstract splatter, blah blah blah?
Llamas.
Llamas. Oh, those are some nice looking llamas. I've wanted this piece of art for 2 years and I finally got it. Thank you to filming this video. It was an excuse to allow myself to spend money on this piece that I've wanted forever. So are you guys ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Like this video if you're ready. Dun, 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 dun.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh no, we're breaking.
What you doing there, huh?
Oh.
Okay.
Is it level?
I think so.
Oh, it's level. Okay.
Ooh, pretty.
This is my Jesus.
We love Jesus. Okay, so we're actually not going to put anything on the table because we want to keep it minimal. We've got some statement pieces. We have the lights and Jesus, and we just want to keep it clean and crisp.
Okay, so here's one last final good look of the complete transformation.
you guys so much for watching our 3-part series of the dining room makeover.
We will link all of the products in the description below, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye! All right, you guys, we want you to know that Jesus loves you.
So make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and we will see you on our next video. Bye!